For the best deals on tires and rims, go to tiresourcecanada.ca. And don't forget to use their promo code HOC5 for a 5% discount on all the online orders. The link is in the description below. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. My name's Murad. If you're already a subscriber, thank you and welcome back. But if you're new, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you know when the next video drops. Wumi from EVDANCE sent me this J1772 extension cable that supports level 1 and level 2 charging. It supports up to 50 amps of EVSE or chargers, up to 12 kilowatt of charging speeds. It's 21 feet long and it has an IP rating of 66, which means it is dust and waterproof. Flip the box around and you'll see that this product is UL listed. UL means Underwriters Laboratories, which is a safety organization, and that means that they have tested this product for safety. And although they have a global reach, it means that it is at the very least safe to use in US and Canada. It has operating temperatures of minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, which is minus 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. And storage temperatures between minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, which is minus 40 degrees Celsius and 85 degrees Celsius. Let's unbox it. Comes in a nice carrying case. Nicely wrapped cable. And your user's manual. Let's head over to a charging station and test it out. I'm at my friend's house who has this 50 amp charge point, but it is configured or set at 40 amps because that's what the house supports. So we're going to charge the car using the EVSE directly first to see what speed we get, and then we'll connect the extension cable. We should get the charging started notification from the car in a few seconds.
Charging started.
8.8 kilowatt. Now let's connect the extension cable. Perfect scenario. You have a big car over here and your EV is parked all the way at the far end of the driveway. Now your EVSE cable is not long enough. Ends here. How are you going to charge it? That's where the charging cable, extension cable comes in. Connected. It's pretty flexible. 21 feet. J1772 connector. Let's see.
Charging started.
Charging started. Exactly 8.8 kilowatt. No loss in speed whatsoever. If you'd like to order one for yourself, I'm going to leave a link in the description. And don't forget to use the promo code for a 20% discount. And it's not only applicable for this product. You could order any product on the EVDANCE website and use my promo code for a 20% discount. I'm going to display the promo code on the screen. I hope you found the video useful. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and thank you for watching.